Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 9.1.6 and we are going to view the /proc information. So you are the IT administrator for a Linux system. Your supervisor has asked you to collect some information about the system. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, use the files in the /proc directory to determine how many CPUs are installed. Find the system CPU speed, answer question 1 and 2. Find the total physical memory, answer questions 3. Find the Linux kernel version, answer question 4. So I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership. We have detailed access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide array of educational video materials to help you with any of your educational needs. So we're still waiting for the lab to load. And this lab has loaded successfully, so we'll go ahead and open terminal where we are going to be doing much of the work. Alright, so from the first task we are going to type in cd /proc and you press enter, and then you type in ls and press enter, and it's going to give us a list, and this list, so we type in cat cpu info and you press enter, and that is going to give us some of the informations that we will be needing to answer some questions. So let's answer some questions. How many CPUs are installed in this system? Alright, so from our terminal, from the information given in our terminal, that is going to be 2. What is the CPU speed in megahertz? That is going to be 1993.392. Okay, so we minimize this and we continue with our terminal. Let's see. So we are going to type in cat okay, no, there's an error there. Let's see. How much memory does the system have in kilobytes? How much memory this is going to be 10713. And what is a Linux kernel version? So we're going to minimize these, and then we'll go ahead and then you type in cat version, then you press enter, and then you go ahead and answer some of the questions that follows. What is a Linux kernel version? And the Linux kernel version here is going to be let's see, from Linux kernel version. Okay, so let's see what we have. Linux kernel version is going to be 2.6.33.3 -85, and you go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.